Embarking on the journey of entrepreneurship is like stepping into a world where you're the boss, making the calls, and chasing your dreams. It's an enticing prospect, but let's not sugarcoat it, it's tough. Statistics show that a whopping 90% of startups fail, and the stress levels can be off the charts. Yet, amidst the challenges lies immense opportunity and fulfillment. In this video, we delve into the realities of starting your own business, from becoming an entrepreneur to securing funding, and navigating the legalities of incorporation. We'll equip you with practical strategies and advice to navigate this exhilarating but demanding path. Join us at Everyday Elevate, where we unlock the secrets to entrepreneurial success. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with anyone you know who's eager to start their own business journey. Let's embark on this adventure together. Every successful startup originates from a groundbreaking idea. Without it, there's no foundation for a business to thrive. Here, we explore creative strategies to inspire product or service concepts. Engage your social circle. Begin by conversing with friends about their pain points and frustrations. What defines a lucrative product or service? It's the ability to address a pressing need or frustration that individuals are willing to invest in resolving. As you embark on your entrepreneurial journey, start by tapping into the grievances of your social circle. Their challenges could hold the key to your next big business idea. Ever wondered how some of the most successful startups came to be? Well, it often starts with a simple frustration. Let's take a peek at some relatable examples. Travis Kalanick and Garrett Camp couldn't hail a cab when they needed it most, so they decided to revolutionize the transportation industry with Uber. Andrew Cortina and Ikram Magdan Ismail found themselves in a bind trying to pay each other back with checks, which led them to create the seamless payment platform Venmo, eventually snapped up by PayPal. Chris Ricobono was tired of his button-down shirts looking all wrinkled and awkward when untucked, so he took matters into his own hands and launched Untuck It, a brand dedicated to solving that very problem. These stories prove that the best ideas often stem from our own everyday annoyances. Who knows? Your next big idea might just come from your own frustrations. Renowned licensing expert and intellectual property strategist, Stephen Key, advises selecting a category that captivates your interest while avoiding overly saturated markets. I steer clear of industries like the toy sector, known for its intense competition, he emphasizes. Choosing categories with growth potential and a culture of open innovation enhances your chances of success in licensing your ideas. Once you've chosen your category, Key recommends conducting a thorough analysis of the existing products within it. Assess each product's unique benefits, packaging, marketing strategies, and customer feedback. This comprehensive understanding will illuminate potential areas for improvement and guide your innovation process effectively. Innovation isn't always about reinventing the wheel. Sometimes, it's about filling the gaps where the wheels are missing. Countless successful businesses have been born from recognizing unmet needs in the market. Drawing from your expertise in sales development and account management within the tech industry, you might seize the opportunity to provide this much-needed service to burgeoning startups. By identifying and addressing these gaps, you can carve out a niche and build a thriving business. Revolutionizing the market doesn't always require creating something entirely new. By offering existing products with improved affordability, superior quality, or ideally, both, you can tap into a vast pool of potential customers. What's more, when there's already a clear demand, your path to success becomes smoother. So, as you navigate your daily routine, keep an eye out for the products and services you frequently use. Then, explore ways to enhance them. This simple yet powerful approach can unlock innovative solutions and pave the way for your entrepreneurial journey. Consider these additional recommendations to fuel your entrepreneurial journey. Connect with peers by joining local startup events via platforms like Meetup or Eventbrite, fostering connections and gathering valuable insights. Dive into patent filings to spot emerging trends without resorting to direct replication. Host a collaborative brainstorming session with a select group to exchange ideas on product concepts and challenges. Before you leap into the unknown, take a moment to assess the feasibility of your idea. While friends and family may offer support, their opinions may not reflect market realities. To truly understand your potential audience, delve into your buyer persona, the individuals you aim to reach. A product, no matter how innovative, must address genuine needs to succeed. This underscores the importance of thorough market research. Once you've pinpointed your target market, conducting interviews with potential customers becomes crucial. Presenting them with a functional product demo allows you to gather insights into preferences, pain points, pricing sensitivity, and usage habits. This systematic approach ensures you collect valuable feedback to refine your offering effectively. Envato Blogger Chris Bank advises a strategic method. List the problems your product will address, and seek opinions and rankings for each. To gauge market interest before diving into development, create a landing page detailing your product or service. Prompt visitors to submit their email addresses for early access, complimentary subscriptions, exclusive perks, discounts, or updates. An MVP represents the most stripped-down, fundamental iteration of your tool or service. It's designed to be functional enough to engage early adopters and provide insights into areas for improvement. For instance, imagine you're envisioning an app to connect college students with virtual tutors. Your initial step might involve creating a basic version of the app, manually inviting a select group of online tutors to join, and promoting it on your local university's Facebook page. The response, whether it garners significant sign-ups or minimal interest, serves as a crucial indicator for your next steps. By embracing this lean approach with an MVP, you not only keep initial costs low but also create a framework for scalable growth as your product evolves. A business plan serves as a structured blueprint outlining your business objectives and the strategies to accomplish them. It encompasses vital components such as marketing tactics, budgeting, financial forecasts, and key milestones. As an entrepreneur, your role involves defining your company's mission, vision, and both short-term and long-term goals. Through strategic planning, the business plan emerges as a tangible output, providing invaluable guidance for steering the growth trajectory of your startup. Remember, while your MVP is a great starting point, it likely won't be sufficient to maintain a competitive edge in your chosen market categories, especially if you have ambitious aspirations for your startup. Here's where the cycle begins. Generate interest and demand, market your product, acquire customers, sell your product, assess satisfaction, refine the product based on feedback, and then repeat. Optimizing each aspect of this cycle generates the revenue necessary to further invest in product development, which in turn sparks additional interest from satisfied customers, spreading word-of-mouth referrals and competitive offerings that attract new customers. Beginning the entrepreneurial journey is like setting sail on a vast ocean of possibilities, where you're the captain steering toward your dreams. Despite the daunting statistics revealing the challenges ahead, 90% of startups face failure. The journey offers unparalleled fulfillment and growth opportunities. In our video, we explore the intricate process of starting your own business, from embracing your entrepreneurial spirit to navigating the intricacies of funding and legal requirements. We provide practical insights and guidance to empower you on this thrilling yet demanding expedition. Join us on our journey at Elevate every day as we unlock the secrets to entrepreneurial success. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our upcoming videos. We value your input, so drop a comment below letting us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. Together, let's elevate our entrepreneurial endeavors and achieve remarkable success. Don't forget to share this video with anyone you know who's ready to embark on their entrepreneurial journey. Let's make every day an opportunity for growth and innovation.